I gotta dump this yarn back in for y'all. Dunk it all in. Dunk it in. Get it quickly.
You're driving that cab, hop out. If you don't like it, you gotta hop out.
Say I'm about to make a project with these. I'm about to make a top with this, and I'm not sure which colors I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna show y'all all the colors that I have, and I'm gonna try to decide on this camera now what I'm gonna use. Hey, it's your girl T-Lo Key, and you know the key is in your hook. Now this video is going to be a small unboxing of the new yarn to my new collection. Yes guys, and I want to show y'all these lashes that I got on. It's for my OMG bundle, the unboxing that I did for the OMG bundle. Check that video out if you haven't already. If you're seeing this, don't forget to like it. So I'm going to show you a few these colors that I got here. I got almost 2 of every color. I'm a pattern tester again. I got some pink. Oh, there you go. I got some pink for y'all. You know my favorite color, pink. I want y'all to help me choose which color I should do for this project. I'm going to post this before I'm finished doing the project. This purple. I'm not really a purple girl, but this time I picked a lot of purple, so I think I'm feeling this purple this time. Let me admit that on camera. Another kind of purple, purplish pink color. And I got this tan color. Let me put it close to my. Got this tan color. I got a jean blue. And a more vibrant blue. And another purple is a different brand, but it's still cotton yarn. And I got white. These are white. So I got some color combos that I want to show y'all and see how they go together. These 2 purples, I'm not really feeling them together. I could do these 2 pinks. You know, I love me pink and white, as y'all can see, pink and white. And I'm really feeling these 2 colors, this blue and this white. I'm really feeling it. I might pick that. So I got interrupted, but back to the video. I could do tan and white. Anything with white. Or, y'all, these 2 blues, they look fire together. These 2 blues and the white, maybe. Please comment down below what color I should choose. My friend said she knows what color I'm going to choose. So I'm going to see which color she think I'm going to choose. And I'll let y'all know in the next video. But I really think I'm feeling this the most. So I might choose that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share my video if you're enjoying this video. And your girl is out. Tell me if you like this look though. Because I'm kind of feeling it. And I'm really feeling this blue color right here. This blue one, this is not the jean blue one. But this is the other blue that I showed y'all first. This one, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this for real. With this white. So, blue and white top. Post this video and try to see what y'all think. Because my friend think I'm going to pick some colors. And I can't wait to see what colors she think. I think I'm picking this. I'm posting this video before I do this project. Let's see what I pick. But guys, I only got 20 days to do this project because I was waiting for this yarn. But you know, I like a challenge, and I think I can do a top over 20 days. Maybe I'll do 2 tops. I don't know. But maybe I'll do 2 tops. And yeah. So that's all I gotta say. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that thumbs up for me. If you like this video, and I'm out, right? Just dunk them all in. Just dunk them in the bag. Second bag. I know which colors. I think I know which colors I'm gonna pick. Please comment down below, because I will see the comments before I finish this project and may try your combos out if you comment down below. You're seeing this. Try this yarn out. It's really soft and it's cute for garments like pants or tops. Try this yarn out. If y'all don't know which to try out, I'm trying out all different kind of yarn, but try this yarn out if you haven't already. This is going to be my first time trying this yarn out, and I think I'm going to like it because it's really soft and they got some cute colors. I wish I could have got all the colors, but they were out of stock, so get you some before they run out. You never know when they're going to restock, so get you some. You know I love me some yarn.